Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable auto restart option in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to access this option and how to turn it on. We need to go to settings. Then when we scroll down, we need to open our device care menu. And here we have auto optimization under performance. And here it is, auto restart. By default, it's off. We have short explanation here, what does it do and why we should have it on. So we can tap this option and it will restart when the phone or our software needs to be restarted. Of course, we can set up a schedule, we can set up a time or a day of the week, whatever we need here. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in next video. Bye.